Rhode Island set a new snow record, though the South Coast actually got more, 41 inches in Fall River, where a lengthy cleanup is just beginning. NBC 10's Nicole Mader live in Fall River. What are you seeing, and more importantly, what are you standing on there, Nicole?
I'm standing on a very large snowbank right now. Fall River got absolutely pummeled by that storm yesterday. Low visibility, high winds, insane levels of snowfall. Cars are buried, side streets are impassable. Plows are just making their way through the streets now. City and state officials are saying that the cleanup could take days. It could take even longer.
The southern coast of Massachusetts waking up to tons of snow.
I think you all hit the jackpot in terms of the Commonwealth, the most amount of snow, the highest amount of winds, the most difficult visibility.
Leaving the biggest mess for residents and city workers to clean up.
But it's a natural disaster, and we're right in the middle of it.
Conditions yesterday were so treacherous, plow operations were paused.
And at one time, vehicles were being pulled off, plow operators were getting stuck, our own vehicles were having some difficulty, and it just wasn't safe to be out. It's really hard to keep up with the storm the way you like to if, in fact, you have those conditions.
So many Fall River residents spent the day shoveling.
What are you going to tell people who are frustrated?
I'm going to tell them that we did the best we could with what we had. Sympathetic to their frustrations, I'd be frustrated too. But at the same time, this was a massive, massive storm.
Fall River Mayor Paul Coogan says they're working as fast as possible to clear things up.
We're going to be moving equipment. We had trucks on the road yesterday. We'll have a lot of trucks on the road today, and we're trying to open this stuff up.
And the cleanup could take days.
It's going to take some time just to get the roads passable, but even after that, there's going to be continuous work to remove the snow, especially from those sidewalk areas. You can expect to see equipment out to try to get rid of this snow for some time, at least over the next couple of weeks.
So the mayor and the lieutenant governor both said that the main priority was clearing those main roads, especially the ones that lead to hospitals, emergency management centers, fire stations. They say that those roads for the most part are clear. The plows are starting to do the side streets, but with this much snow, it's just going to take time. Live in Fall River, Nicole Mader, NBC 10 News.